Welcome to all. I am Assistant Professor Kutte Akshada from SND Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. Welcome to online lecture series. Subject is Engineering Chemistry. Today's topic is factors influencing corrosion. Two types of factors are influencing corrosion. First, nature of metal. Second, nature of corrosive environment. First, nature of metal. Purity of metal. Impure the metal, more is the rate of corrosion. This is because impurities act as minute electrochemical cells. Second, physical state of metal. Physical state of metal like grain size, stress affects the corrosion rate. Stress areas undergo more corrosion. Next, position in galvanic series. More the oxidation potential, that is, if metal is higher in the galvanic series, it is more anodic and hence more is the rate of corrosion. The rate and severity of corrosion further depends upon their difference in positions. More the metals are apart in galvanic series, faster is the corrosion of anodic metal and more is the current generated during corrosion. Dry corrosion is also faster in more active metals. Next, nature of oxide layer. Corrosion rate depends upon the nature of oxide layer, whether it is stable, unstable or porous, etc. Next, passive nature of metal. Some metal like tin, aluminium, chromium show more corrosion resistance than expected from their position. In the electrochemical series, these are called passive metals. This is due to formation of thin protective layer on metal surface. If the ratio of cathodic area to anodic area is greater, then the rate of wet corrosion is faster, surfer and localize on anodic area. Relatively larger cathode area has high demand for electrons and it can be made by smaller anode only by undergoing rapid corrosion. Hence, a better design by use of two metals is the one in which anodic area is much larger than cathodic area. Next, nature of corrosive products. If the corrosion products are soluble or volatile in nature, then corrosion is increases. Relative area of anode and cathode. Smaller the anodic area, more is the corrosion rate because oxidation of anode occurs at faster rate. Next, purity of metal. Impurities in metal from large number of minute or tiny galvanic cells when there is conducting medium around the impure metal. Next, physical state of metals. The grain size of metal or alloy greater is found, the rate of corrosion get corroded more easily than cast irons because grains in steel are of smaller size. Next, nature of oxide film. If the oxide film formed on metal surface is protective, non-porous, strongly adhere, then neither dry corrosion nor electrochemical corrosion will take place. But if the film is porous, loosely adhere, then the corrosion of the metal takes place until complete destruction by dry or wet mechanism. Next, nature of corroding environment. First, temperature. Rate of corrosion increases with increase in temperature. In the case of electrochemical corrosion, the corrosion of anode depends upon the temperature. As per nearest equation, for electrode potential, the potential of metal is higher at higher temperature. Hence, rate of electrochemical corrosion increases with increase of temperature. Next, moisture. More the moisture, more is the rate of corrosion. Moisture is deciding factor in dry corrosion and wet corrosion. Oxygen and other reactive gases in atmosphere do not have much corrosive action in the absence of moisture, but the corrosion of metals takes place at much higher rate of above the critical humidity. High relative humidity, fog, moist in air provides the aqueous conducting medium and causes galvanic or differential aeration, cell formation. The rate of corrosion by cells formation is fast. Moisture in soil, water, aqueous solution also cause such cells formation and corrosion of metals. Next, pH value. Lesser the pH, that is acidic condition, more is corrosion. Generally, acidic media have more corrosive effect on metals. Amphoteric metals are more attacked by alkaline media. Corrosion of iron or steel is minimum at pH 5.0 in the oxygen. Free water and at lower pH its corrosion rate increases. Next is nature of electrolyte. Presence of salts in the electrolyte increases, the rate of corrosion increases. Next, conductivity of corroding medium. Higher the electrical conductivity of the soil, water or any aqueous corroding medium, higher is the rate of electrochemical corrosions. In nature of ions, on the contrary, the presence of oxalate ions, phosphate ions, silicate ions, etc. have ability to slow down the rate of wet corrosion. Next, presence of impurities in atmosphere. Impurities increases the rate of corrosion. Corrosion is more in industrial areas. And C. This is because of presence of gases like CO2, H2S and SO2. Thank you.